Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie Recipe. Smoothies are a delicious and nutritious way to start your day. They provide a quick and easy option for those busy mornings when you don't have time to sit down for a proper breakfast. One popular smoothie recipe that you should consider trying is the Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie. To make this delightful smoothie, you will need a few simple ingredients. First, gather some fresh strawberries and bananas. These fruits provide a natural sweetness and are packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Next, grab some rolled oats. Oats are an excellent source of complex carbohydrates and dietary fiber, which will help keep you full and satisfied throughout the morning. To prepare the smoothie, start by placing the strawberries, bananas, and rolled oats into a blender. Blend the ingredients until you achieve a smooth consistency. Check out the section below for some of the best blenders when preparing your smoothies or for meal prep. And if you prefer a thinner smoothie, you can add some milk or yogurt. Both options will add creaminess and enhance the overall flavor. One of the best things about the Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie is its versatility. You can customize it to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. For an extra boost of protein, consider adding a spoonful of nut butter or a scoop of protein powder. If you have a sweet tooth, a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of cinnamon can elevate the flavor profile. When it comes to serving, you can enjoy the Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie straight from the blender. However, if you prefer a colder temperature, you can add a few ice cubes during the blending process. This will chill the smoothie and give it a slushy-like consistency that is perfect for those hot summer days. Not only does this smoothie taste incredible, but it also provides numerous health benefits. Strawberries are known for their high antioxidant content, which plays a vital role in neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Bananas, on the other hand, are an excellent source of potassium, which supports heart health and aids in regulating blood pressure. In conclusion, the Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie is a fantastic breakfast option that combines the refreshing flavors of strawberries and bananas with the nutritious addition of rolled oats. It is a quick and easy recipe that can be customized to suit your preferences. Whether you need a protein-packed breakfast or a sweet treat to satisfy your cravings, this smoothie has got you covered. Give it a try and start your day on a tasty and healthy note. If this Strawberry Banana Oatmeal Smoothie recipe was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.